Chapter 12, Japanese Candlesticks. While the Japanese have used this charting and analysis technique for centuries, only in recent years has it become popular in the West. First and possibly the more popular is the method of displaying stocks and futures for chart analysis. Secondly, it is art of identifying certain combinations of candlesticks in defined and proven combinations. When an open price and close prices are equal, they are called doji lines. They are called doji lines. Doji candlesticks can have shadows of varying length. This is a time when prices must be almost equal, especially when dealing with large price movements. There are different doji candlesticks that are important. Long legged doji has a longer upper and lower shadows and reflections considerable indecision on the part of market participants. The Grafton doji has only long upper shadow and no lower shadow. The longer the upper shadow, the more bearish the interpretation. The dragonfly doji is opposite of gravestone doji. The longer shadow, long, and there is no upper shadow. It is usually considered as quite bullish. This is a doji candlestick. The single candlestick lines are essential to Japanese candlestick analysis. Japanese candle pattern is a psychological depiction of traders' mentality at the time. The mere fact that humans react consistently during similar situations makes candle pattern analysis work. Japanese candle pattern can consist of a single candlestick line or be a combination of multiple lines, never more than 5. While most candle patterns are used to determine reversal points in market, there are few that are used to determine trend continuation. Reversal patterns. A reversal candle pattern is a combination of Japanese candlestick that normally indicates a reversal of the trend. You cannot have a bullish reversal pattern in an uptrend. Likewise, you cannot have a bearish reversal candle pattern in downtrend. You must determine the trend before you can utilize Japanese candle pattern patterns effectively. Japanese candle patterns will significantly assist in identifying the reversal of the trend. Japanese literature consistently refers to approximately 40 reversal candle patterns. Dark cloud cover. This is a 2-day reversal pattern that only has various implications. The first day of this pattern is a long white candlestick. Next day opens above high price of previous day, adding the bullishness. This is a dark cloud cover. This is piercing line. This is evening star. This is morning star. This is morning star. So this is list of reversal patterns and bullish reversal, bearish reversal patterns. So you can screenshot this this list. You can screenshot this first part. You can screenshot this second part now. You can screenshot this third part now. So these are candlestick patterns. You can screenshot this part. 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 So that's it.